Happy Saturday everyone! My name is Raniel Flores and I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant in good standing. In today's video, I am going to share to you the latest invitation that IRCC made under the Federal Express Entry Program. IRCC invited 2,500 applicants from education occupations. Candidates or applicants only need 462 points to get an invitation from IRCC. What are the requirements to be included in the candidates pool? First, you need to have education credential assessment from a designated institution here in Canada like WES or IQAS. You also need a language test result of CLB 7 or higher. For the work experience, you should be a licensed teacher working at least 1 year. However, the more work experience you have, it is actually the better. There is no age requirement, but the younger you are, the better, since age is a factor when calculating your comprehensive ranking system under the Federal Express Entry Program. For those candidates who live outside of Canada, you need to meet the financial eligibility, and it is based on the number of household members, whether they will accompany you or not here in Canada. For those licensed teachers who are interested in migrating in Canada, please let me know and I may be of help by assessing your credentials. You may drop a message in our Rosa Flora Canada page. Thank you and have a good day.